Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about Unit 9, Lesson 4, 5, 6, and 7. Our title today is Watch, Listen, and Make. Let's begin with our new words. Number one, wonder means to think about something that you aren't sure about. Number two, hide. Hide means to go or stay in a place where no one will see or find you. Hide. After this, we have the word cry. Cry means to produce tears from your eyes. When you hear something bad, you cry. Hug. Hug means to put your arms around someone and hold them closely, usually because you love them. When my brother returned from abroad, so I hugged him. After this, blind. Blind means not able to see. Well, again, blind means not able to see. As we said before, when there is an accident, a lot of people became blind. Deaf, deaf means not able to hear, and disabled means not able to use part of their body in the way other people can use. After this, we have some expressions. Number one, look very real. It means, or for example, when I watched the film, I thought that it looked very real. After this, we have the word make a film. Make a film. Last week, I went to a studio and I found them make a lot of films and all kinds of films. Have a picnic. On holidays, my uncle likes to have a picnic to go to the parks to breathe fresh air. After this, fly a kite. Fly a kite. My children likes flying a kite in the sky. Stop fires. Stop fires. Firefighters are very brave because they can stop fires. After this, we have some expressions. Number one, in my opinion, as we said before, in my view, it means in my opinion. When someone asked you about your opinion about something, so you can say, in my opinion, it's good or bad. So it's for expressing your opinion. Instead of when you wanted to buy something and you can't find this thing, so you can take another thing. So it's instead of this thing. On the radio. Yesterday I was traveling to my uncle and the road was busy. So I listened to the match on the radio. After this, from the top of, I'd like to take a photo from the top of the mountain. Think about. Tomorrow will be my exam. So I think about my exam a lot. Hide behind. Hide behind. When there is something bad, I wanted to hide behind, not to make anyone see me. When my children make something bad, so they hide behind the chair. The last one, throw down. Throw down. While walking, I was nervous, so I throw my mobile down. Now, how to make invitation. So it's language functions. Number one, how to make invitations. We have a lot of ways. Number one, I was wondering if you would like to. Number two, I'd like to invite you to plus infinitive. I'd like you to plus infinitive. Would you like to? So if I wanted to make an invitation to you, or if I wanted to invite you to something, next week will be my birthday. So I'd like to invite you to my birthday party. So I'll say, would you like to come? or I'd like you to come to my birthday party, or I'd like to invite you to my birthday party. So if you accept this, you will say, I'd love to, or that sounds great, all with pleasure. So all of these are ways to accept the invitation. But if you refuse this, you can say, I'm afraid, I won't be possible, or I'd love to, but I can't because I'm busy, for example. So let's complete how to ask about opinion. As we said before, we have a lot of ways. Number one, do you think that plus complete sentence? What do you think of or about plus complete sentence also, or plus a noun? What's your view of or about? So, I bought a new t-shirt and I'd like to ask my friend about his opinion. So I can say, do you think that this t-shirt is good? Or what do you think of this t-shirt? Or what's your opinion of this t-shirt? So if you want to reply, you can say, in my opinion, or in my view, or I think. So all of these are ways to reply. For example, what do you think about the Museum of Modern Egyptian? So you can say, in my opinion, the paintings are really good. After this, number three, how to make offers. We have a lot of ways to make offers. Number one, shall I plus infinitive. Would you like me to plus infinitive? For example, shall I bring some food for the picnic? Or would you like me to play music? So that's for making offers. The last thing today, how to make requests. Number one, would you plus infinitive, or I was wondering if you could plus infinitive. For example, could you bring some food for the picnic, please? That's all. Thank you and goodbye for your listening.